Hello, my name is Derek Morrison. I'm a sales manager for Toshiba Canada. Today I'd like to demonstrate to you a new method of sending files of any file type up to 5 terabytes in size securely between 2 locations with a full audit trail and ISO 27001 information security certified. We can do that via 4 different methods. One method is via an app on a photocopier, like over my shoulder right here, via a plugin in Microsoft Outlook, via any web browser, or via any mobile device. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we can send a secure file, a paper file from the copier behind me to a secure location. We're going to share a screen. We'll start right away. So as you can see, this is the app, this is the copier control panel right here, except displayed on my LCD panel of my computer via what's called a virtual network connection. You can see various apps on the screen, but today we're interested in an app called SendSecure, right there. I'm using user authentication so the copier will really know it's myself, so I need to type in a PIN code. I don't have a card swipe installed right now. So this is what the LCD panel of the copier now looks like. And what we're going to do is we're going to send via what seems to be like email to an XM SendSecure server in the cloud. We're going to first have to type in my email address. It finds my email. Has my cell phone number there, which will be helpful later on for text messages. Type in a subject here, it's a flyer. Messages copier. This could be any kind of personal health information, legal documents, you name it. That's just the example I'm using now. This is for the transmission of very secure devices. It's very, very confidential information that you want to make sure that no one but the intended recipient receives confirmation that that person did receive that document. So we're going to scan that now. You can hear the copier just scan the document. So it's going to process it now. There it is. I'm going to send this to the XM SendSecure cloud. It did go, and it went to what's called a safe box. We'll talk about that a little later on. I'm going to stop sharing this screen. So we're now looking at my Microsoft Outlook inbox, and you can see that that email I sent to myself is here. And this is what that email looks like from XM SendSecure. And it's telling me that I have a safe box and do I want to access it? And yes, I do. And this is what that message looks like. It's telling me it's coming from XM SendSecure. It was the flyer that I flyer is from myself. Now I have 5 minutes, and I can vary that to confirm that it's myself who's received this very confidential information, very secret information, trademarks, copyrights, who knows what, intellectual property, who knows what, via email, via text, or via call. So I have my cell phone right here, and we're going to do a text. Just arrived, and it's 2887. It's now verified that it's myself, and I'm able to download this document. So this is that flyer that I downloaded. It's a copier flyer talking about great things in copiers. We have lots of great deals on. Might want to give us a call, and I'd be happy to help you out. At any rate, I'm going to stop sharing this screen. and go back to my Outlook inbox, and I received another email from SendSecure that that document was downloaded. Okay, so this helps to create what's called an audit trail, which can be used in a legal situation to confirm the transfer of information from one party to another. Could be a paper document, could be an electronic document, could be a movie, could be a JPEG, it could be a zip file, it could be whatever, you name it. We can, XM SendSecure can do it up to 5 terabytes in size, the approximate equivalent of 6,000 hours of streaming video. I'm going to stop sharing this screen. And on this screen, here's my contact information. I want you to know that XM SendSecure is very affordable. You send 3-4 couriers a month. It's probably with the same cost. Again, I've showed you one of 4 methods to send secure documents, in this case, paper documents via Copier. But again, it could be a JPEG file, it could be a zip file, it could be whatever, it could be a movie file of some sort you want to send. But the key thing here, it's very secure. There's a full audit trail. It meets TLS.1.2 encryption. It features single sign-on as well, and it features 2-factor authentication. I just want to mention some names you may recognize that use XM SendSecure: NATO, U.S. House of Congress, U.S. Law Courts, KPMG, Bank of France. There are numerous other ones. So at any rate, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. And we will see you again in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you.